What's up to all my 29 subscribers out there? Thanks for watching, guys. So this video is gonna be a lot different than my other videos. One, because I have a different setup. I'm currently at my dorm room at school. I'm recording off a webcam, so the video quality might be a downgrade, but I am using a Yeti mic, so the audio quality should be a big upgrade. So I want to talk about in this video just my plan for the channel that I'm making. I know I haven't uploaded in about a month. It's because I was trying to figure out my school schedule, work schedule, and moving into this dorm kind of took a little bit of time. I did record some videos, but I didn't have time to edit and post, so I just scrapped those. But I just want to get your opinion on some stuff. So I continue making my basic information about medications, like some common questions that people ask about medications, pharmacy, specifically prescription medications, but I could also talk about like over-the-counters or herbal supplements maybe. But also I'm thinking of doing more of like an in-depth, advanced like videos about medications. So some people who are more interested about the science background of it, like how a drug actually works, like what makes a drug, like how does it produce these like anti-inflammatory, anti-pain effects on me when I take it, like what pathways they affect, what receptors, like all that science stuff. I don't mind making those because I love how that works too. I can make both like in-depth videos about how, like, because I made a lot of videos about Advil, like how does Advil actually work, or how does Tylenol actually work. I can make videos explaining those. That's something if you guys are interested in. I don't mind making those. I'm actually pretty excited to make those. But I also will continue making my basic videos and like any updates I see in the pharmacy world or any cool ideas for videos. So that's where I want to go forward. My next couple of videos, I want to first make a video about how to get into pharmacy school. So I'm currently a third-year pharmacy student. I've done, so it's a 4-year program, so I've done 2 years. I'm currently working on my third year. So I want to talk about like how I got in, where I went to undergrad, like my kind of story about like some tips and tricks of how to make yourself more of a competitive applicant to pharmacy school. So I want to make a video about that because I know a lot of you guys I don't know my demographic yet because I don't have that many subs, but if you guys are like more of in the young adult age where you guys are trying to figure out what to do with your careers, or if you think pharmacy is right for me, is it right for me, or can I do it, is it too hard, is it too easy, etc. I could give you guys some real insight on that, which I think might be fruitful for a lot of you guys. Other than that, if you guys want like a quick tour of my dorm room, I'm off a webcam, so I can't really show you, but if you guys really want, let me know in the comment section below. I could bring like a camera and I could actually record my entire apartment. I do have 3 other roommates, but I can show you guys my room right now. So basically I have a twin, kind of a large twin bed. I'm 6'1", but it fits me just fine. I have a minimal drawer, a closet that's bigger than my closet at home. And I have my mini fridge over here that is probably the best investment I made, because with four people living in this apartment, one fridge that's not too big isn't gonna suffice. And also I have my custom PC here. So this was built by me and my friends like about 6 years ago. That whenever I have time, I play some games on there. But overall, yeah. Let me know what you guys want. Let me know what you guys think. I kind of like this setup because one, I'm actually at school, so you guys see more of like the reality of what I do all day and during school. I just study. I don't study too much. Like I don't go crazy. I just try to study as efficiently as I can. But yeah, I could make a video about how to study, how I study, what are my methods of studying. But overall, let me know. I should be uploading more consistently, so look out for those videos. Make sure to subscribe if you're new and like this video, and thanks for watching. See you guys soon.